In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razer Viper Mini to Synapse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting the Razer Viper Mini or any other Razer mice that you have to the software is extremely simple. This is because as long as you have genuine Razer hardware and you have the latest version of Synapse, it should automatically be detected. So go over to the Razer website. If you still need to download Synapse, hover over PC, you will be able to find the software category and then select all software. In here, you can browse through everything, and the first one should be Razer Synapse. So click on Learn More, and you will be able to download it. I recommend downloading Razer Synapse 4, which is the latest release for the Razer software. However, you can download Razer Synapse 3 if that's the one that you are used to. It should still give support to all Razer peripherals. It just have Razer Synapse 4 is more up to date, it has a cleaner visual, and so on. So download whichever option you prefer. Now plug the Razer Viper Mini to your PC, usually done with a simple USB cable. And as long as you open the latest version of the Razer software, it should automatically detect the Razer Viper Mini and any other Razer peripherals that you have. There is nothing that you have to do to set it up. As soon as you open the Razer software, it will detect the mouse. If you notice that it doesn't appear, first restart your computer or try replugging in the mice. If it still does not work, make sure that you have genuine Razer mice. There are a lot of counterfeits, and you can check this by trying to register the serial number on the back of the mouse. And as long as you open the software with the mouse connected to your PC, it will automatically be recognized and work. So just plug it into a USB port and open the latest version of Razer Synapse. You will be able to use Razer Synapse to update the firmware on all of your Razer peripherals, and it's always going to be available when you open the program and let it run on the background. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer Viper Mini to Synapse. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.